Hey, how you doing? Justin Sandico here from Justin Guitar, here to tell you about an incredible new project we're launching, Justin Guitar Playin It Forward. I've always hoped that I might be able to improve the quality of people's lives by helping them make music. I believe that learning an instrument can really help us out of a funk and amplify our happiness, which is why I keep most of Justin Guitar completely free. But sometimes I think the people that could use that help the most aren't even able to afford a guitar to get started on, which is where Justin Guitar Playin It Forward comes in. We're giving away both electric and acoustic guitars completely free to students who wouldn't otherwise be able to access an instrument. The electric guitars we're giving away are all pre-loved instruments. We're accepting donations from the Justin Guitar community, but we're buying them too. Once we get a guitar, we clean it up, we put on a fresh set of Diodario strings, and then set it up so it's really easy for a beginner to get going on. Rehoming pre-loved guitars means that we can get better instruments at lower prices, reach more people, and it's more eco-friendly too. I'm very excited to announce that Anderton's Music Company are kindly giving us 100 brand new acoustic guitars to give away every year. Special big thanks to my good friend Lee Anderton for his generosity with this. We've chosen the East Coast G1 model. It's a fantastic guitar for beginners. It's very easy to play and sounds great. If you're a guitar player already but know somebody that could benefit from this project, please share this page and encourage them to apply. And if you happen to have an old electric guitar around that you no longer play and would like to donate it, please get in touch with the link below. Playin It Forward would not be possible without the support of the amazing community that donates and buys products and buys merch. I appreciate the support so much. Also, big special thanks to everyone that bought a one-on-one lesson with me. All of the money from those goes directly to supporting this project. Special thanks to Diodario as well for providing strings and tools for the new guitars and the goodie bags as well. They've been an amazing support to me over the years, so big thanks to them too. Please refer to the FAQ if you've got any questions about how this project works or questions on how to apply. I'm really hopeful that the Playin It Forward project will bring even more people into our awesome community that gets so much joy out of making music. And lastly, thank you for your continued support. I appreciate it so much that I'm even able to make projects like this happen. Have yourself a fantastic day. Thanks again. Bye-bye.